Struggling with overweight baggage fees? Let's ditch the stress and learn how to easily add extra baggage to your Emirates flight. First, head over to the Emirates website, emirates.com. Make sure you're logged into your Emirates Skywards account, or have your booking reference and last name handy. Find the Manage Booking section. It's usually located at the top of the homepage or in the website's menu. Click on it. Enter your booking reference number and your last name in the provided fields. Double-check to make sure the information is accurate. Then click Retrieve Booking. Now, look for the baggage section within your booking details. It might be labeled at Baggage, Manage Baggage, or something similar. Click on that. You'll see different options for adding extra baggage, usually with prices listed for each weight allowance. Choose the baggage allowance that best suits your needs. Proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment information securely. Emirates accepts various payment methods, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation. Make sure to save this confirmation for your records. That's it. You've successfully added extra baggage to your Emirates flight. Happy travels.